Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to download the Yandere simulator. So the steps are very simple. Make sure to follow along. First of all, on your browser search tab, what you're going to be doing is simply type in Yandere simulator, and once you do, press enter and head over to the very first website, and as you can see, click on that, and now you can see the website is in here. You can have a look on the website as well. So after that, what you're going to be doing is that you have this option to download the demo, but you're not going to be pressing on that. You can see if you scroll all the way above, you have few options on this bar. So you're going to be clicking on this download option, which is right after donate. So click on that and just wait for a couple of seconds, and you can see now we are directed towards our downloading section, and in here we can click on this download launcher option. So click on that and just wait for a couple of seconds and your downloading will be started. So just wait, and you can see we have all of these gamepad controls and keyboard settings as well, so you can just have a look meanwhile the download is being started. So right now, as you can see, the compressed file is being downloaded, so we can simply press on start downloading and open file, and now we can simply extract this. So simply use your extracting software, and once you do, you can simply head over to this. You also have this readme files if you want to read that, and finally we have this Yandere simulator launcher, and you can simply install it. So that's a pretty simple process to do so. I hope you found this video informative. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.